Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some beautiful design and I will show you all the beautiful design and patches that we have created. So now I will show you one by one. You can see which are the design in which colors and all. So this is the first design. On the left will give you the closer look that it will be easier. See kardana and the French knot work and the different kind of sequence and jari work you can see. So the measurement is around 6.5 inches. Okay, let's go to the next motif. The measurement is around 6.5, same measurement. So underneath that there is a different patch. This one more than 3.5 inches. This patch you can see, this is the flower patch, rose flower, thread and different jari work. It's 6 inches. So this one you can see, this is the lace. Actually the measurement of the lace is 2.5 inches. Okay, so this is actually applique patches. It has been beautifully handcrafted, nicely designed, and the stone that you can see, it's really beautifully apply in your designer products. It will be really beautiful. On the right side there are another rose flowers, the same. This one you can see applique. Okay, then the extreme right is very beautiful and metal work, completely stone. You can see the stone, and these are the sequence. Okay, sequence arrangements, and all this has been beautifully handcrafted. So now I will come to the top. This is the patch, evergreen patch. I got lots of order. So this one you can see, we have used only beads. Okay, the black color, and this one the golden color. Here is the cream color and the golden color. So using these beads, you can see this is the back portion. Okay, this dokra design that you can see, I have a special video on this dokra design. If you have not seen this video, you can go to the link and see how beautifully this dokra design has been done. It is very hard work job. If you have anything that heavy gown or heavy dress that you can put an animal or bird design, this is the best option for you. So at the end I will show you all the design. Now you can see all the design together and in one screen. On the very top I have shown you the kardana and the French knot work, and on the right side there's another design, and then dokra. Then after this one you see the bird design, then the sequence work. So in one word, we design different kind of designer products. We are not specific in one kind of the crafts. Like, we believe in variety to make the market more open and merit based. So we believe in varieties of the products. So product, you will see thread work, you will see Zardosi, you will see the Ari work, you will see French knot, you will see mirror work, so applique work, beads, kardana combination. So we design different kind of work. So these are the product that I have shown you. These are the only patches and the laces. It's not like we just design these products. So we design different products also. This is the one of the product that we design. This is the collection of patches. So apart from this, we design, you know, gowns, lehenga, suit, different designer wear. So every design should tell a story about a people, about a girl. So depends, you need to explain me actually for whom you are planning to design the products. You need to tell me like what is your, or what type of people will wear your products. Based on that, we will decide, we will discuss. I believe in teamwork, guys. We will discuss about the design and query, question, share your comment section is mentioned below. If you find like this video is useful for you, if you like the video, you can share to your friend, colleague who are students, who are, you know, designers, who are studying in college. So you tell all the people around you. If you have any query, question, you can get in touch with me. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching this video.